Okay, so this is the setup. Got the RPR with the Gen 2 Viper. Got the camera on it. I'm going to be shooting from here, 250 yards. We're going to try to hit that near beer. But hopefully I don't hit this and knock this out of alignment. Yeah, that's what we could see there. So let's see what we can do. So that's 250 yards. And you're looking through my RPR scope. It's the Vortex Viper PST Gen 2 mm first focal plane. So we're on 12 power here. Maybe I'll go a little bit closer. Zoom in a bit more here. Okay. So hopefully that's clear enough you can see there. Sun's blazing right now. Okay, let's see. So we got 9.7 on the scope. We got a decent wind from, I guess it's right to left. Blowing pretty good. Gotta get my bolt. Okay. Let's see if we can parallax just a little bit better. Anyways, you can see it pretty good. Okay. Here we go, going for the can. There we go, second shot. Pretty sweet. Next one's at 280. So let's see if we can get this moved over to 280. Okay, there's 10. Do the steel plate again here, holding on the right edge. I'm not sure where it's impacting. Okay, saw that one. Half mil wind. Got it. Once you know the wind call, it's pretty much easy to do. All right, center plate. Tight little group over there too. I don't know if you can see that. I'll zoom in on this one. Go with 25 power. Yeah, I don't know. You can kind of see. Not really though. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so here we have a beautiful quartz watch and the infamous near beer in front of our 280 yard gong. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Bullet stuck in the side. That's really neat. Sweet. Anyways, let's go back and take this out. Okay, so we have a few targets now. We have that quartz watch down there at 280 and the near beer. Okay. There we go. I think I'm shooting low. Oh, try some of this federal shit here. Got 10 left of that. I gotta take that watch out. Hopefully it's pretty close, the dope anyways. Different ammo. Oh, sweet. Well, let's go see what we did. Well, it looks like we just got it. Right in the bottom. I'll leave it here, I guess. Or, yeah, I'll just leave it here. There's our paint can. Got a little bullet stuck in the side, that's so cool. And the near beer, took that one out too.